Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X SUPERLIGHT 2C. In this video I'll show you how to change DPI preset. In the beginning, let's take a look at the Logitech G HUB. Select your mouse, and here on the left side we've got the presets. We can select default, first person XY split, MMORPG XY split, MOBA, productivity, RTS, and below we've got also simulation, third person and first person XY split. Next we can create custom preset and we can adjust it here. We can select slots, minimum and maximum DPI. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.